when you come here, you need to expect that experience. That's what I call Costco, as an experience. When you come here to shop, we want to meet the members. We want to know you by name. Our customer service, our cleanliness, those are the things that we stand out about.
Thank you.
Up against the wall.
We really look to take care of the members. We really look to have that member service experience that people just get wowed by. That's Costco's mission. All the different ancillary departments, such as fresh bakery, fresh deli, fresh meat department, tire sales, photo, pharmacy, hearing aids, optical, gas station, propane. We're just excited about being a part of the community, getting involved, meeting the members, and making them part of the Costco family.